Huawei new Mate series smartphone with 5G support is at the far right of the slide, with the month of December indicated as the time frame. Since the only Mate series phone Huawei expects to launch this year will be the Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro, we are pretty sure what this slide is about, and we already know that the Mate series smartphone from Huawei. So these are the flagship smartphone from Huawei in this year, but we are far away from the launch of Mate series smartphone from Huawei, but we already getting leaks and rumor. So today a very first look of the Huawei Mate 30 series smartphone. This is actually a back panel, and this back panel what remember the Nokia Lumia 1020 smartphone. The design of Nokia Lumia 1020 smartphone are really similar to the Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro. So these images are actually posted on Weibo user exposing the gloss back panel of Huawei Mate 30 series. So this is actually adopting a circle design in Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro. In view of fact that the P30 series had already taken 4 shots of current stage, the number of Mate 30 series length will be at least 4. Now it is difficult to guess the specification shape of Mate 30 series rear camera. It is not excluded that the Huawei is launch a rear camera arrangement similar to Nokia Lumia 1020 smartphone. At the present, the information about Huawei Mate 30 series still very small. According to current information, Mate 30 series will be adopting Kirin 985 processor and built-in Balong 5000 5G baseband. The screen will be using 90Hz refresh rate AMOLED screen to support front dual camera. The rear camera support 50x digital zoom and 5x optical zoom. However, the official does not respond to authenticate of this information. According to previous export, the Huawei Mate 30 series will be released in December. So also Google get the green signal to license Android for Huawei. This comes from after President Donald Trump on such a day said the American firm could start selling technology to Chinese telecom giant. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.